I'm telling y'all right now, you better like and subscribe because it's my third time doing this for you. I had sound issues and a lot of things you do for YouTube. All right, guys. So I know y'all got a short attention span. What's the error message again? You've been flagged on TikTok. Have you been flagged? Are you ineligible for a For Your page due to unoriginal, low quality, or QR code content? Well, I'm about to show you how to fix that right now, buddy. I don't know how to do it on the phone. But I'm using a Mac. I'm pretty certain this will work with PC too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our Finder and we're gonna go to the file that we're looking for. If you can open the door, you can do this. You cannot mess this up. It's so easy. I re-download a lot of my content because I'm away from home and I'm away from my server and I gotta do it on the road. And I don't know the name of the sites. I just Googled some site and just how to download Instagram videos or YouTube videos. And this is my content. So let me make sure y'all can see this here. All right. So I'm gonna come up to this first file right here at the top and I'm gonna highlight it. This is another form of content that I downloaded from the interweb. And if you come over here to the right here where my mouse is, you can see all this gibberish, hieroglyphic, cheat code, something, something. It might be a winning lottery number. Whatever it is, this is why you keep getting flagged. This is why you keep getting hated on. I'm a camera over there. This is why you keep getting hated on. Because you got this file down here that you downloaded, that you pirated, okay? You should be using your own content. Now, so all you gotta do is right click. And as you see, when I right click, I have an option to remove to URL. See that? See that? See that right there? Press that, and guess what? Patrick. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do is go on. Now, before we get out of here, we're gonna do some SEO optimization. And this is just a video of me dancing, getting my groove on. Cause you know, sometimes I like the vibes. Hold on. We're not gonna You're not gonna flag me. Not gonna flag me. So I'm just gonna put dancing, D-A-N-C-I-N-G. But I do encourage you to put something more specific to the title of your video, what you're gonna be posting with it, so that when they're looking for us on the interweb, on the Instagram, you know what I'm saying? They know how to find us. All right. And that's it, man. So you know what time it is now, boys and girls? That's right, it's cringe time. If I helped you out, like, comment, subscribe, share it with somebody. Tell me if it worked. If it didn't work, since you know everything, tell me how you did it. Share it with the world so we can get to posting too. All right? Now get on out of here and get to posting.